Hello dear friends, today we are going to solve all Tecno and Infinix sound problem very easy, step by step. Let us start. Actually, it's not from speaker, this problem is from charging stem. Dear friends, for solving this problem you have to use jumper wire and connect pin number 5 to pin number 7 gently. Here we go. And after that, let's check it up. As you can see now, the sound is clear. Dear friends, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.